Hi, are you a coach or a consultant struggling to grow your YouTube channel, posting contents but not getting enough views, engagements, or leads? Stop trying to do it all alone. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how our YouTube virtual assistant can help you increase your video reach and engagements, optimize your content for maximum discoverability, turning your channel into a lead generation machine. If you want a step-by-step guide to outsourcing your YouTube virtual assistant or YouTube task, comment YTVA below and I'll send you my exclusive YouTube Growth VA Blueprint, your roadmap to hiring the perfect virtual assistant and scaling your channel without the overwhelm. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how a YouTube virtual assistant can take your channel to the next level, so you can focus on creating content and generating revenues, not droning into admin work. This is how your YouTube virtual assistant can help you grow fast. First is SEO and video optimization. A YouTube virtual assistant ensures your videos are properly titled, tagged, and optimized so they appear in search results and recommended feeds. More visibility, more views. Second, content repositioning and social media promotion. A virtual assistant can turn your YouTube videos into short clips, blog posts, and social media contents, driving more traffic back to your channel. Third, engagement and community growth. Replying to comments, engaging the potential clients, and boosting engagement keeps your audience hooked and helps your YouTube push your content to more views. Fourth and lastly, YouTube admin and analytics tracking. A virtual assistant can track performance metrics, analyzing what's working and suggest data-driven improvements. So grow smarter and faster. Real talk. If you're still doing everything yourself, you're limiting your growth. The biggest YouTube channels and brands have team, so why shouldn't you? If you're ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level, stop spending hours on admin work and start focusing on creating high value content that attract leads and clients. Drop white EVA in the comments and I'll send you my exclusive YouTube Pro VA Blueprint, your roadmap to finding the perfect virtual assistant to scale your channel. Stress free. Let's get your YouTube working for you. Visit us at www.meetyourva.co to get you started today. Thank you.